So I bought this undercut saw for cutting, helping with these notches. That was the first notch that I cut, and I think it went a whole lot faster. So I think we'll continue using it. It worked pretty good. So we've been pretty busy. I've been got most of my window frames in now. I just have one more window frame to put in over here, and then all my window frames are done. This side here I have to bring up 4 high, so I got another 2 logs to go. I'm working on this corner right now, and Kelly's shaving logs over here. So, and yesterday I was cutting quite a few logs, got quite a bit cut. We were kind of drenched there for a while. We had about 5 inches of rain on I guess it would have been Saturday and Saturday night into Sunday, early Sunday morning. But given that fact, I've been trying to clean up stuff around here, and with everything being so wet, I've got a burn pile going, and I have been cleaning up a lot of the stuff around here. So hopefully this thing's still going. It'll have to be stirred up again, but we still got fire going here, so that'll burn most of the day there, and we'll just keep on going. So these here I have been cutting with a chainsaw, but I found that the chainsaw wasn't accurate enough. I was having to go over and try and get it nice and square afterwards with my grinder with a big cutting blade on it. So I've resorted back to my skill saw for cutting them, and then I have to use the Sawzall in the center just to take off that little bit there. That seems to be working a lot better, and they're a lot more square that way. Okay. No, I got it. So I thought I'd show you our garden. It's doing not too bad. Of course, this is our first year here, so we haven't got it built up very much with all the nutrients that the things need to grow. But overall, I think it's doing not too bad. Our peas are in blossom, beans are in blossom, tomatoes are in blossom. I know we're not as far along as other places, but this is Cape Breton, so everything takes longer out here to grow, because we can't start to plant until about the second week of June. But other than that, our strawberries are looking really good here. And we actually got some zucchini on our plants here, so hopefully they'll mature. We've got I think Kelly counted about 8 the other day, 7 or 8 in here, so that'll be good. Got potatoes are coming up, and our bees are doing good as well. They seem to have adapted and coming along quite well, so we'll have to open up their hive before too long and see if we have to add some more another box to it. We don't want them to get overrun with things, with their honey and their hives. Then they'll want to take off and leave. So we'll add another box in between the two there, and that'll give them room to expand. But other than that, they're doing quite well. So, but in the meantime, I guess that's it for now. It's getting quite hot out. It's around noon, so humidity is very high. So we're gonna pack it in for a couple hours, and we got some running around to do and everything. So until we see you next time, take care, stay cool, and hit the like button, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.